going to. Mia, you'll tell Santa what you want for Christmas?
A telescope? Oh, you're going to explore, huh? Explore the heavens and the stars and the moon and the sun. Is that what you're going to do? Okay.
Baby J, you tell Santa what you want for Christmas?
Tell Santa. You tell Santa?
You don't want to tell him? Okay. What?
She needs a seatbelt. So she can be safe. That's what she said earlier.
You need a seatbelt? Tell me.
Make sure you get
Tell me what you need.
the boat.
Jay, tell me what you need.
I need a boat.
A boat. No, that's not what I meant. Hey, Emmanuel.
You did good. She made fun of Scott. Seriously. No, no,
What?
I'm gonna press the button.
Uh-oh. Vroom. You got up all by yourself?
I get up here all by myself.
3 and 2.
Only one person.
Thank you.